Meaning of fusty.
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 Fusty. The word fusty means having a stale, musty odor or taste, or being old-fashioned and out of date. It typically describes something that has not been aired out or updated in a long time. For example, a fusty old book might have a distinct, unpleasant smell due to its age and lack of circulation. Similarly, someone with a fusty attitude or style might be seen as stuck in the past and resistant to change. Overall, the term fusty carries connotations of staleness, stuffiness, and outdatedness.